Welcome, in front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on this laptop. I will show you two ways on how you can do this. The first one will be for you if you can access your system OS, so from the system level, and the next one will be from the hardware level in case you cannot access your Windows account. But before we do this, let's check how you can see your recovery key for this laptop. So the recovery key is a BitLocker key that can be used to unlock your Windows in case something happens in the recovery mode and your laptop gets locked. You'll have to use the BitLocker recovery key in order to regain access to your operational system. So to begin, let me switch to a different device on which I'm gonna show you how to check your recovery keys. So go to your website, go to web browser and search for aka.ms/myrecoverykey. Okay, so copy this and paste it into your search field. After that, you'll have to sign into your Microsoft account that is connected with the laptop. So let me enter my credentials. Click next once you input your email or phone number. Then enter your password. And click next once again. Then in the next on the next page, you'll find the list of all recovery keys for all of your devices. You'll see a table. In a table, you'll be able to check things like device name. So this is the name of your device. The key ID. This is the ID that you will see in case your device gets locked. So basically, this is your this is the main thing that you have to check. In case your device gets locked by BitLocker, the only thing that you will see on the screen is the key ID, so you'll have to find the recovery key that matches the key ID that you see. And if you happen to be in a situation where BitLocker locks your PC, simply enter the recovery key, and you'll have to enter the full recovery key that you see right here, and then you'll be able to regain access to your device. And the last, the drive, but I'm gonna skip this one because it's irrelevant. And the key upload date. So the key upload date is basically the date when the key was uploaded. Basically, when you set up your laptop with a Microsoft account. So I think that's all I had to show you. Now let's go back to the laptop. Okay, so the first method of entering recovery mode is simply by selecting the start button, then go into power options, and once you are in the power options, hold down the right shift button. Hold down the right shift button and then click restart, and keep holding the shift button all the time until your device reboots into recovery mode. So first wait until your device shuts down, then your device will start up and you will see the please wait sign. At this point you can release the right shift button and then just wait until you are in the recovery mode. and here you can select any of the settings. For example, let's go deeper into troubleshoot, advanced options. Well, basically you can select anything right here, but right now I'm gonna turn off this PC. I'm not sure if it's gonna turn it off or start to restart it, but generally speaking, right now I'll begin the second method of entering the recovery mode, and this one is pretty simple. All you have to do is press the power button to turn your device on, and while it's booting up, you'll have to hold the power key down again until it shuts down. Okay, so as you can see, my device is booting up right now, and now it's shut down. Now I have to press the power button once again and just repeat the process. At some point you will see a sign between the below the Dell logo that says please wait, or repair system repair is coming, or something like that. We're gonna see it in a while. Okay, so trend the diagnostics. Let's turn it off. Let's turn on the laptop once again. Okay. Let's make it stop testing by pressing enter, escape, and once we press escape, you'll see the preparing automatic repair like this, diagnosing your PC. Okay, let's wait and see what happens. And after this, you will see a screen like that. Here you'll have to select advanced options, and then we'll end up in the recovery mode again. Now you can go to, again, you can go to troubleshoot, advanced options. Let's go to startup settings. Let's select restart and see what happens. See whether our Dell gets locked or not. Now, as you can see, everything seems to work well. Okay, let's just press enter to return to the system and see if the laptop gets locked. But in case it doesn't, you still know what to do in case it does. And as you can see, everything went well generally. So at this point, I think I mentioned everything I wanted to. So thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.